Hello everyone, your voice here, and welcome to our channel Sansevieria 101. So for this episode, we're going to feature, this time it is an unknown species that was found by Ernst Specks. That is the name of the collector, and he collected it at Kitonga Gorge in Tanzania, within Iringa province. And he has tagged this collected species as ES 20424. So ES stands for Ernst Specks, which is the collector, and the abbreviation ES signifies that Ernst Specks collected the specimen. So formally, you can write this specimen as Sansevieria SP Kitonga, but it is conflicting with another specimen which is collected also in the Kitonga Gorge, which is ES 20425. Within the content, I will show you the difference, but right now, what I'm showing you is the collected specimen or collected species with the collection number ES 20424. This is a mature specimen, by the way. So you might be wondering, if you have bought ES 20424, that they are in juvenile form, so they haven't grown to the extent of what I have. You might mistake them as a dark colored Bella. Bella is a separate species, which is different from what I'm showing right now. The species have no spurs on them, as comparison to the next feature that I'm going to upload on YouTube. This one is the species collected by Ernst Specks, having the collection number 20424, and I'm showing you right now the leaf of the specimen. As you observe, they look like bellas, the bella species. They also look like downsii species. They also are very similar to the phillipsae species, but as you can see, what I'm focusing right now are the leaf tips and the form of the leaves. Later on in a bit, I will show you the difference between this specimen and the other specimen that I'm talking about, 20425, also collected by Ernst Specks, which has spurs or spikes on the end part of the leaf canal. This one doesn't have them, and they can be mistaken as the species Bella or the species downsii. After I feature 20424 and 20425, I will feature the species downsii, so you can have a comparison of the species. Right now, what I have is a mature specimen of the collected species ES 20424, which is also collected in Kitonga Gorge. So that is how the specimen looks like in maturity, and that is just the full picture, or what you can see as the full part of the plant which I'm showing in this content. So if you see that I have cable ties on it, it's a victim of this a catastrophe again. A cat jumped through on it from the ceiling, so I had to make this video in case there are further damages to the plant where I currently position it, because that's where the cats would usually go up the ceiling. So again, this is Sansevieria species ES 20424, found in Kitonga Gorge, one without the spurs on them. And like I said, just a quick view. This is Sansevieria ES 20425, the one that I'm focusing right now, and I'm also focusing the leaf part. I'm going to focus that there are spikes on them, as you can see right now, which I'm focusing on. At the end of the canal, you'll see that there are spikes on it. There you go, those are the spikes that are present on ES 20425. One I'm presenting right now is 20424 without the spikes. There's another spike from ES 20425. And I think this is it for this episode, everyone. If you like the content, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you, everyone.